we have seen the some examples of the in, on, near, far and above positions, right? Now again see the some examples of the in, on, near, far and above. Now see here, position is a place where someone or something is. म्हणजे कोण कोठे आहे, काय कसं आहे, त्या पोझिशनला, त्या स्थितीला काय म्हणतात, तर ठिकाण. ओके, नाव पोझिशन. Now which is a first position? Now in this picture what can you see? Yes, a monkey and a box, right? Now where is a monkey? Yes, where is a monkey? Yes, the monkey is in the box. Means monkey कुठे आहे, तर monkey बॉक्सच्या मध्ये की नाही. Yes, the monkey is in the box. In, right? Now the second picture. In this picture, yes, where is a monkey? Now in this picture you can see the box is closed, and in picture when here box is open, but now here box is closed. इथे कसं आहे, बॉक्स बंद आहे आणि त्या बंद बॉक्सच्या वरती कोण आहे, तर monkey. Yes, so where is a monkey? The monkey is on the box. What? Where is the monkey? The monkey is on the box, right? Now the third. In this picture what can you see? Yes, yes, also in this picture monkey. या पिक्चर्स मध्ये पण कोण आहे, तर मंकी आहे. पण मंकी कुठे बरं? येस, अँड त्याच्या डोक्यावरती काय दिसते बरं? येस, बर्ड. द बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग अबव द मंकी. Where is the bird? Now in this picture, where is the bird? The bird is flying above the monkey. Above means च्यावर. मंकीच्या वरती, बरोबर मंकीच्या वरती बर्ड फ्लाय करतोय की नाही, उडतोय की नाही. येस, the bird is flying above the monkey. Now here in this picture, this is a monkey and this is a tree. This is mountain, right? Now where is the monkey in this picture? Yes, now the monkey is near the tree. This is a tree. ट्रीच्या बाजूला जवळच आहे की नाही monkey? Yes, monkey कुठे जवळच आहे ना ट्रीच्या. Yes, the monkey is near the tree. Okay, now the next picture. Okay, the where is the monkey from tree? Yes, where is a tree? Yes, this is a tree and this is a monkey, right? पण या ट्री पासून monkey कुठे बरं? Yes, where is the monkey from tree? Yes, the monkey is far from the tree. What? The monkey is far from the tree. Means या दोन्हींच्या मध्ये अंतर आहे, राईट? म्हणजेच कसं आहे बरं, या झाडापासून, या ट्री पासून मंकी थोड्या दूर अंतरावरती आहे की नाही. येस, सो दॅट्स वाय द मंकी इज फार फ्रॉम द ट्री. We learned the positions in, on, far, near and above. Students, now let's take a new activity. In this activity today we are going to learn position. So what is meant by position? Now let's see here. Position is a place where someone or something is. Yes, what is meant by position? Position is a place where someone or something is. जो कोण कुठे आहे हे जे ठिकाण दर्शवतं त्याला काय म्हणायचं? पोझिशन. Now where I am in class. Now where are you? You are in your house, right? Now this is a position. Now which are these position? Let's see. In, on, far, near and above. Now today we are going to learn the 5 positions. So these are the in, on, far, near and above. So today we are going to learn first position. So which this position? In. Now let's see. Now let's see in position. What is mean by in? In means are. Now where I am? Now I am in our school. Now I am going to show one example. Okay. Now what is this? This is a box. Yes, what is this? This is a box. Now these are the books. These are the books. Now I am keeping the books in box. Now where is the books? Now books are in the box, right? Now where is the book? Now books are in the box. Yes. Now let's see again second example. Now what is this? Yes, what is this? These are the pens. What? These are the pens. Now pens are in box. Now I will close it. Now where is the pen? Yes. Now pens are in the box. Where is? Pens are in the box. Okay. Now again let's see one example. Now what is this? Yes. This is a ball. And how is this ball? This is a big ball. And 2 small balls. And 2 small balls are in the big ball. Now 2 small balls are in the big ball, right? Now we saw the examples of in position. So understood what is the in position? समजली का? What is mean by in? Ins म्हणजे आत. What? In means आत. Now we saw one first example. These are the box. Now I kept the books in the box. Now where is the books? Books are in the box. Yes. म्हणजे काय तर एखादी वस्तू जर कशामध्ये ठेवलेली असेल ती झाली त्याची पोझिशन. मग आता बुक्स कुठे दिसतायत का नाही? तर बुक्स कुठे आहेत? तर बॉक्स मध्ये. नाउ दिस इज अ पोझिशन ऑफ द बुक्स. ओके. नाउ टुडे वी लर्न द इन position. Now the next position is a on position. So what is mean by on? On means what? What? On means shower. Now this is my left hand, right? And this is my right hand. Now I keep my right hand on my left hand. Now where is my right hand? Now my right hand is on the left hand, right? On means work. What is mean by on? On means work. Now second example. Look. What is this? This is a book. And what is this? This is a duster. Both are things, right? Now where is the duster? Yes. Where is the duster? Now duster is on the book. What? Duster is on the book. Yes. Now again see the example. What is this? Yes, this is mobile. Yes, this is a mobile. Now where is the mobile? Yes, now mobile is on my hand. Where is mobile? Mobile is on my hand, right? Now again see the one example. This is a ring. What is this? Ring. It's a toy. This is ball. What is this? This is a ball. Now this is a ring and this is a ball. Where is a ball? Ball is on the ring. Where is? Ball is on the ring. Now we learn the what is mean by on. On is a position, right? Now the next position is a near and far. So what is mean by far and near? Now let's see. Near, the object that is close to you. What? दी ऑब्जेक्ट दॅट इज क्लोज टू यू. म्हणजेच जी वस्तू आपल्या खूप जवळ आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं, नियर. अँड व्हॉट इज मीन बाय फार? फार मीन्स दी ऑब्जेक्ट दॅट इज अवे फ्रॉम यू. मीन्स एखादी वस्तू आपल्यापासून थोड्या अंतरावरती, दूर अंतरावरती. आपल्यापासून जर एखादी वस्तू दूर अंतरावर आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं, फार. आणि जी वस्तू आपल्यापासून जवळ आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं, नियर. नाउ लेट्स सी द सम एक्झाम्पल्स. नाउ हियर I drawn here tree and cat. Now what is the position of cat? Now cat is near the tree. What? Cat is near the tree. And in this position, in this picture, what can you see? Now cat is far away from the tree. What? Cat is far away from the tree. म्हणजेच काय, तर इथे cat ही झाडाच्या जवळ आहे की नाही? येस. अँड हियर कॅट ही झाडापासून दूर आहे की नाही? येस. म्हणजेच काय, तर कॅट इज अवे फ्रॉम दी ट्री. नाउ second example. Now this is a square and this is a triangle. Both are shapes. Now square is near the triangle. What? Square is near the triangle. Now let's see. Yes, what is the difference these pictures? Now triangle and square. Now square is away from the triangle. म्हणजेच काय, ट्रायंगल पासून स्क्वेअर कसा आहे, दूर आहे की नाही? येस. नाउ ट्रायंगल away from the square, right? Now this again see the example. This is a duster, right? And this is a pen. Now duster is near the pen. What? Duster is near the pen. And now the duster is far away from the pen. Duster is far away from the pen. Now today we learned the near and far position. Now next position is, now let's see the above position. What is mean by above? Above means tower. What? Above means tower and on means over. Now firstly clear the concept. Now this is a duster. What is this is duster. Now duster is on my hand. या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये अंतर आहे का? तो बरोबर लगेचच माझ्या हाताच्या वरती डस्टर आहे की नाही? येस. नाउ हियर I have drawn here picture of a tree. Now what? Picture. This is a picture of tree and in this picture you can see the birds. हे birds कुठे आहेत मग या पिक्चर मध्ये? ते लगेचच झाडावरती दिसतायत की नाही? येस. आणि हे जे वरती काढलेले बर्ड्स आहेत ते कुठे आहेत? दोन्हीच्या मध्ये आहे की नाही अंतर? येस. जर एखाद्या वस्तूंच्या मध्ये किंवा व्यक्तींच्या मध्ये वस्तूंच्या मध्ये जे काही अंतर असतं, जर दोन्ही वस्तूंच्या मध्ये अंतर असेल तर ती वस्तू त्याच्या वर म्हटली जाते. तर इथे पहा, इथे झाड आहे, एक ट्री आहे आणि इथे पक्षी. नाउ बर्ड्स ऑन अ ट्री अँड हियर birds. Yes, here birds are on a tree and here some birds are flying in the sky, but in this birds and trees some distance. दोन्ही मध्ये थोडंसं अंतर आहे की नाही? Yes, that's why these birds are above the tree. What? Now these birds are above the tree. म्हणजेच दोन्हीच्या मध्ये अंतर आहे म्हणून आपण इथे above ही पोझिशन वापरली. Now today we have learned the in, on, near, far and above positions.